हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म। So what is automorphism? Basically automorphism and isomorphism from a group G to itself. So if G is any group, let G be a group with some binary operation O, then an automorphism is a function f from G to G such that this f is 1 1, number 2, this function f is on 2, and number 3, f is homomorphism. That is, f of A operation B is equal to f of A operation f of B for every elements for every element A and B belongs to G. So these three properties means that f is homomorphic, f is isomorphic, or we can say f is isomorphism, right? So an isomorphism on a group is called an automorphism. So if we take an example, if we have a group of positive real numbers and the binary operation in multiplication. So this is a group. We can check easily that the set of real numbers, positive real numbers with respect to multiplication is a group. If we take a function from this r positive to r positive such that this f of x is equal to x square, then this function f is an automorphism on this group. Now to check that this is automorphism, we will check first this f is 1 1. 1 1 means f of x is equal to, if we take let f of x is equal to f of y, right? For x and y belongs to G, then this will implies x square is equal to y square, and this will implies x equal to y. So notice one thing, we are writing when x square is equal to y square implies x equal to y. This is possible only when this is set of positive real numbers. Otherwise x can be plus minus y if this is the set of real numbers. So this function is 1 1. Second, we will prove this function is onto, right? We will prove that f is onto. Now onto means for every element x of r positive, there must exist an element in r positive such that f of root x, which is root x whole square, is x. So this implies this f is onto. So we have proved that the function is 1 1, this function is onto. Now to be an automorphism, this function should be a homomorphism. Now we will prove that this function f now we will prove that this f is homomorphism. For this, let x and y be any element of this group, then f of x into y, which is xy whole square, and because this group is abelian group, so we can write this as x square into y square, and x square is fx by definition and y square is f of y by definition. So f of xy is equal to fx into fy, so this property also satisfied. So we can say that this function is isomorphic. So this implies f is isomorphism, right? This implies means these three properties 1, 2 and 3. These three property implies f is isomorphism. So this implies this function f is automorphism. Automorphism. So this is the example of automorphism. So now we will discuss on the group of automorphism. तो आप लोगों को ये ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म की डेफिनेशन समझ में आ गई. ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म का मतलब क्या है कि दिस इज एन आइसोमॉर्फिज्म ऑन अ ग्रुप टू इटसेल्फ. So now before going to the group of automorphism, so let me take another example of this automorphism. So let this G be a group with some binary operation and A be any element of G. Now if we define a function f of A from G to G such that f A x is equal to A inverse x A for all x belongs to G. So now we will prove that, we will claim that this function is automorphism. This is automorphism, right? So what is our question? So what we are going to claim? We are going to claim that this function fa from G to G, which is defined by this rule f a x is equal to A inverse x A, this is automorphism. So how we will prove this function is automorphism? For this we have to prove three properties. Number one is this function is 1 1, right? This function is 1 1 means, so we have one tool to prove that the function is 1 1. For this we will take any two element of this group and we will suppose that fx is equal to fy. If this implies x equal to y, then function is 1 1, right? That means A inverse xa is equal to A inverse ya. Now by the cancellation rule, this A inverse will be cancelled out from this. This will cancel out A. So this implies x is equal to y, right? So fx is equal to fy implies x equal to y. So this implies this function is 1 1. Now next we will prove that this function is onto. So what is the definition of a function? What is the definition that a function is onto? Now to prove that a function is onto, we have to show that every element in the codomain should have some pre-image, right? So we are going to prove that this is onto. Let this x is any element of this group, then there exists an element ax A inverse, right? Because A is an element of G, so by closure property ax A inverse also belongs to G. So now we will show that this is the pre-image of this element. For this we will find the value of this. So by definition this value is A inverse of this element into A. So this is A inverse into A by associative law and A inverse into A. Now by definition this is identity, this is x and this is identity, and by the definition of identity this function is x. So every element has pre-image. So this implies this function is onto. So this function is onto. Now third, we'll show that this is homomorphism. For this, consider any two element of this. Let x and y belongs to this group G. Then we will find this value of xy. So this is by definition A inverse xy into A. So we can write this as A inverse into x into E into y into A. So this is A inverse into x into, by definition we can write A inverse as this is A into A inverse. This is for E, this is y, and this is A. Now by associative law we can write this as this and A inverse YA, right? So this is by definition f of A into x into f of A into y. So f A x y is equal to f A x into f A y. So this implies this function is homomorphism, right? So we have proved that this function f A from G to G, which is defined by this rule A inverse xa. So this is an automorphism. So this is a particular type of an automorphism which is called the inner automorphism. I will discuss about this. I will discuss later about this. This is called the inner automorphism. So this is the definition of inner automorphism. So an inner automorphism is an automorphism of this type, that is any function f A x which is A inverse x A. This is an inner automorphism. So if this G is a finite group, if I ask how many inner automorphisms, maximum inner automorphisms may be there. So जितने भी एलिमेंट होंगे जी के अंदर उतने हम क्या बना सकते हैं, इनर ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म बना सकते हैं. मैक्सिमम की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि अगर ए क्या है, वेयर ए बिलोंग्स टू जी, तो ए आप क्या, ए के लिए कितनी चॉइस है, ए के लिए चॉइस हमारे पास है जितने बार जी का ऑर्डर होगा, ठीक है. तो मैक्सिमम इनर ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म आपकी कितनी बनेंगी, जितनी आपका ग्रुप का ऑर्डर होगा. लेकिन ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास इतनी ही बने, हो सकता है कि कुछ आप में इसमें क्या करें, कॉन्साइड कर जाए, ठीक है. तो आगे नेक्स्ट हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. नाउ I would like to discuss about the group of automorphism. ठीक है, या इनर ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म के बारे में हम इसके बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. उससे पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म के बारे में. हम बात करेंगे ग्रुप ऑफ ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म. ग्रुप ऑफ ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म. So let G be a group. G suppose के लिए कोई ग्रुप है. Then the set of all automorphism on G is एक odd G हम डिनोट कर रहे हैं. odd G, this is the notation of the set of all automorphism. All automorphism on G. So this is the set of all function f such that f is a function from G to G where f is 1 1, f is on to, f is homomorphism, right. तो ये आपका odd G क्या है, odd G नोटेशन है द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म. तो सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म का हम इसका हमारे पास ये नोटेशन है, ध्यान रखिएगा. नाउ हम क्या प्रूफ कर रहे हैं. सो देयर इज अ थ्योरम. थ्योरम क्या कहती है, द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म इज अ ग्रुप. द सेट ऑफ ऑल automorphism. The set of all automorphism under the binary operation, composition of function. Composition of function is a group, right? So now first let me first describe this statement. What is the statement? देखिए statement आपका क्या कह रहा है कि set of all automorphism, that is this set or G under the binary operation composition of function is a group. ठीक है, देखिए आपको ग्रुप स्ट्रक्चर के लिए हमने आपको बताया था, ग्रुप स्ट्रक्चर के लिए क्या चाहिए, आपको एक नॉन एम्प्टी सेट चाहिए और एक बाइनरी ऑपरेशन चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास सेट क्या है, दिस सेट है और जी, दैट इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑटोमॉर्फिज्म. और बाइनरी ऑपरेशन क्या है, बाइनरी ऑपरेशन है कंपोजिशन ऑफ फंक्शन. कंपोजिशन ऑफ फंक्शन का मतलब क्या है कि ये अगर आपके पास कोई सेट है, हम यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं ग्रुप जी, तो सपोज दिस इज सेट एंड दिस इज अ फंक्शन एफ फ्रॉम जी टू जी एंड देयर इज अनदर फंक्शन